So you want to download Far Cry 6 on your PC without overspending? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to legally download this game on your PC, of course without overspending. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done that, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to the next step, and that will be downloading the game from another website. So please stick till the end and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, search up the game Far Cry 6 and select it. Now scroll a little bit down, as you can see there is a free demo, but we would like to download the standard edition. On Steam it is €59.99, but don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description, click on the link where it says find game here, and then you will be redirected to this page. Here we are going to search for the same game, Far Cry 6, and once we are there, we are going to select the games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now as you can see, we have found a PC version, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. After that, select the game and open the game page, and then you will find out that we can already download this game for just €5.80 compared to the Steam price of €59.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive a completely new legit Ubisoft Connect account to download this game on your PC. There's also a second option if you don't want to use the Ubisoft Connect platform, then we can go back to the previous page, and if we scroll a little bit more down, then you will find the Steam option. Now if you would like to download it through Steam, then select this option, and once you are there and you have checked out, you will receive a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC without overspending. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!